At Royal Chemical, we understand the value of partnership. Our chemical blending, packaging, and fulfillment services help you minimize costs, optimize operations, and scale business. We strategically invest in technical expertise and resources that allow you to efficiently manufacture and distribute your products from high to low volume and in a range of sizes, which is why we're introducing our fully automated high-speed bottling line at our Chattanooga, Tennessee facility. The entire process quickly moves your product through the 9 stations with ease, filling 80 to 130 bottles per minute, and can handle viscosities from 1 to over 40,000 centipoise. Beginning with the orienter, where a camera detects and corrects the direction of each bottle before moving onto the conveyor at a rate of 2.1 per second. Using state-of-the-art technology, our zero downtime labeler switches between 2 label rolls, and our camera vision system ensures correct alignment and application of each and every bottle. Our fill-by-weight technology is extremely accurate, with weight control tolerance on the filler of plus or minus 3 grams. Your product moves through the high-speed filler to the cap and trigger insertion station. Trigger sprayers are unscrambled and oriented on the conveyor system, with quality checks to remove defective bottles along the way. Then, the bottles are seamlessly placed into boxes by the case packer, where a check weigher verifies the accuracy of weight and quality to either move through or to be removed from the line. Next, the boxes run through a high-resolution inkjet printer that can print up to 3 inches high. This can decorate the entire length of the case. Finally, your product is robot palletized and cleanly shrink-wrapped for distribution. For over 80 years, Royal Chemical has provided commitment, quality, and service in every batch for every customer. With our new high-speed bottling line, you can increase your output and efficiency with a partner that is there for you every step of the way. To get started, talk to a Royal Chemical expert about your upcoming project today.